At first glance, fractions, decimals, ratios, and percentages appear to be different topics. Different rules, different symbols, different methods. But in truth, they are all telling one simple story. They are different languages describing the same idea: how much of a whole we truly have. A fraction shows us a part taken from a whole. A decimal refines that part into a precise value. A ratio compares parts to each other, and a percentage places that comparison on a universal scale of 100. Change the form, and the appearance shifts, but the meaning remains the same. When students struggle with these concepts, the problem is rarely the math. It is the belief that they are separate ideas. Once the connection is seen, confusion fades, numbers stop feeling random, and mathematics becomes logical, structured, and meaningful. Understanding fractions, decimals, ratios, and percentages is not about memorizing formulas. It is about recognizing relationships, because when you understand the relationship, you understand the number.